Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. My name's Mariella, and my channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today we're going to be making Supreme Pizza Casserole. So come on, let's get started. So, the meat sauce, first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now, the meat sauce we made yesterday, I went ahead and took some of it and heated it up. And I cooked a half a box of penne pasta that I'm getting ready to drain. Okay, now to the penne pasta, you're going to add your meat sauce. Now, you can add any toppings you want to yours. We're going to stir this around. And I'm only making half of this recipe. Now what you could do is right now just pour this into your sprayed baking dish and then add your toppings on top. But I'm going to add all my toppings in here, so that way I get toppings in every bite. They're just not on top. So what I'm doing is I'm using my dicer, and I'm going to dice up a half an onion. And I'm going to add my half an onion in here. I'm going to add some black olives. I saved some for the top for garnish. I have some red and orange bell peppers. We have some mushrooms. If you got fresh mushrooms, you can use those. If you got canned like I did, I just used the can. Now we're going to add some pepperonis. And however many pepperonis, depends on you. I just reached in the bag and grabbed a handful. Now we're going to mix all this together. Now we're going to take our baking dish and we're going to add our filling to the baking dish. And you can use whatever kind of pasta you want. Like I said, you can use whatever toppings you want. If you just wanted to make this like a meat lovers, then leave all the other stuff out and just use different kinds of meats. Okay, now we're going to top it with mozzarella cheese. And I have some cheddar cheese in here too. Okay, now on top, we're going to add more pepperonis. I left some red peppers for garnish. So we're going to add them to the top. Just to make it look. So it gives people ideas of what you got in here. And some black olives. I'm going to put this on this baking sheet just in case it boils over. Now we're going to put this in our preheated 350-degree oven and we're going to bake it for 20 to 30 minutes until it's hot and the cheese is melted and it's all bubbly. So I will bring you guys back when it comes out of the oven. Okay guys, it just came out of the oven. Make sure I get all my goodies. Garnish with the little green onions. And that is dinner. It smells delicious. It smells just like a pizza. So let's burn our mouth and give it a try. This cheese is like molten lava. So the next time you have leftover spaghetti meat sauce, make a pizza casserole. Instead of having spaghetti, make a pizza casserole. It's really good. I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you would, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my video. I would appreciate it. This recipe will be in the description box below. If you want, you can become a channel member by hitting that join button. If you would like to help support the channel, there is a link to mine and Buddy's Amazon wishlist in our description box below. And as always, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.